Okay, so I'm in my demo code right now, and then I just node server.js, and then it's running at here. So I'll put it in the README as well. So I'll make 3 web page at the same time, simulate 3 client, and I'll just use my keyboard to move my little square over here, the blue box, and then you'll see in all the clients the box moves, and in the console there's no like a bunch of -1 x and y. It's only like when I'm moving it. And in here in the client code, I comment out all the pulling timer handler like away, so it doesn't use any of this function anymore, uh, which is what we are expecting in here. And I think that's pretty much the code.